Today, we're going over the install on our 2020 Plus L5P coolant tank. Let's get into it. Before we get started, these are the tools you're gonna need for the job. A 10mm socket, an extension, a swivel, a pair of pliers, a flat screwdriver, a T15 Torx bit, and a drain pan. We're gonna start by draining the coolant. This is on the passenger side of the engine bay between the frame and the inner fender. You do not have to remove the inner fender to access the petcock. Use a pair of pliers to loosen the petcock. While that coolant's draining, remove the driver's side inner fender. These are gonna be the T15 fasteners, and there's 13 of them. After you remove the inner fender, unplug the low coolant sensor and pull the clip from the lower hose and pull it off the tank to let the tank drain. We're gonna work our way up top by removing the fuse panel cover. There are a total of 3 tabs, one in the front, one in the center, and one in the rear. Unhook the tabs for the fuse block. This will give you easier access to one of the coolant tank fasteners as we progress. You're going to want to pre-install the low coolant sensor into the tank. At this point, we do recommend wrapping the threads with some Teflon, as well as using a dab of some silicone. Remove the 2 hoses on the upper part of the coolant tank. Remove the 2 10mm bolts and the 1 10mm nut securing the tank. You're going to want to pull the fuse block up an inch or 2. This will help with removal of the tank. The tank is tight, but take your time and it will come out. Next, we're going to install the new tank in the same order as the original tank was removed. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts and nut, attach the 2 upper hoses and clamps. Put the fuse block back into position along with the cover, and then on the underside, put the clip into the lower hose, attach it to the tank, plug in the low sensor, add coolant, start and run the truck, confirm there's no leaks, reinstall the inner fender, and you're back in action. So that's a wrap on our 20 Plus L5P coolant tank install. If you guys got any questions, leave a comment below or drop us an email. We're always here to help you guys. Thanks for tuning in.